20 business ideas for beginners. Starting a small business can be a daunting endeavor that demands careful planning. There exist numerous small business ideas that can prove beneficial and cost-effective. For a new entrepreneur, avoiding unnecessary expenses at the outset is crucial. The initial focus should be on keeping expenditures minimal until a profit is generated. Welcome to Penny Investors, where future millionaires come to get inspired. If you enjoy our videos, please hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications, so that you don't miss out on new videos. You can also follow us on X, @FanInvestors1. In today's video, we will be giving you 20 small business ideas suitable for beginners. So without any further delays, let's jump into it. Number 1. Yoga Center. A yoga center provides a space for individuals to engage in yoga classes and activities aimed at improving physical and mental well-being. This business may offer various types of yoga classes, workshops, and wellness programs. Number 2. Catering business. A catering business involves preparing and providing food services for special events, functions, parties, and gatherings. This may include services like menu planning, food preparation, delivery, and even on-site catering for events. Number 3. Travel agency. A travel agency assists clients in planning and booking their trips, including flights, accommodations, tours, and other travel-related services. It may also offer tailored travel packages and advice on destinations. Number 4. Fast food shop. A fast food shop serves quick and convenient meals to customers. It may focus on specific types of cuisine or offer a diverse menu of popular fast food items. Number 5. Chocolate cafe. A chocolate cafe is a specialty establishment that serves a variety of chocolate-based products, such as drinks, desserts, and confections. It's a place for chocolate enthusiasts to indulge in their cravings. Number 6. Fitness programs. Providing fitness programs involves organizing and conducting fitness classes and courses. This may include activities like aerobics, strength training, yoga, and other forms of exercise to help clients achieve their health and fitness goals. Number 7. One-product restaurant. This type of restaurant specializes in offering a single type of food item, focusing on perfecting and innovating around that specific product. This approach can create a niche and garner a dedicated customer base. Number 8. Hosted security provider. A hosted security provider offers services to protect websites and online assets from cyber threats like hacking, malware, and other security breaches. This may involve services like firewalls, antivirus protection, and security monitoring. Number 9. Data backup service. A data backup service helps individuals and businesses securely back up their important digital files and information. It ensures that data can be restored in case of loss or corruption. Number 10. Surveillance camera installation. This business involves the installation and setup of surveillance camera systems for homes, businesses, and public spaces. It helps enhance security and provides peace of mind for property owners. Number 11. Massage business. A massage business offers various massage therapy services to clients, which may include relaxation massages, deep tissue massages, and specialized treatments for specific conditions. Number 12. Home improvement and handyman services. This business provides a range of services related to home improvement and repair. This can include tasks such as carpentry, plumbing, electrical work, painting, and general maintenance. Number 13. Children's educational programs. Offering educational programs and services tailored for children. This may include tutoring, after-school programs, language classes, and STEM workshops. Number 14. Software products and application development. This business focuses on creating and selling software products or developing custom applications for clients. It may involve designing mobile apps, web applications, or specialized software solutions. Number 15. Consulting services. Consulting services involve providing expert advice and guidance to businesses or individuals in specific areas of expertise. This could range from management consulting to specialized industry-specific advice. Number 16. Selling car and machinery spare parts. This business involves the sale of replacement parts for cars and machinery. It may cater to automotive repair shops, industries, and individuals looking for specific components. Number 17. Professional car washing business. This business offers car washing services, potentially including detailing, polishing, and other related services. It can be lucrative in areas with a high concentration of cars. Number 18. Internet connection provider service. This business offers high-speed internet services to residential and commercial customers. It involves providing reliable and fast internet connections at competitive monthly rates. Number 19. Furniture business. Starting a furniture business involves designing, crafting, and selling furniture. This may include custom pieces, standard designs, or refurbishing and repurposing existing furniture. Number 20. Pure water production. This business focuses on producing and selling purified water, which can be packaged in bottles or sachets. It's a critical service, especially in areas where access to clean drinking water is limited. There you have it. 20 small business ideas suitable for beginners. Which one will you be giving a try? Let us know in the comments. Just remember, these are just starting points for each business idea, and there are many ways to customize and expand upon them based on specific market needs and personal expertise. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications, so that you don't miss out on new videos. You can also follow us on X @FanInvestors1.